Hi there everyone, it's Sarah here and welcome back to another video. In today's video that I filmed a couple days ago, I decided that I wanted to blend some fiber on my hackle using some bright primary colors that I dyed my faux cashmere with. I had this idea for this fiber project in my mind for actually several weeks, but as you know, it can be tricky to find some time when you're taking care of family and holding down a full-time job, so you do the best that you can. This also gave me the opportunity to try out the dizzes I made out of polymer clay several weeks ago, and it turns out they actually work very well. I know I had one comment concerned about how they would hold up, but whether it's my technique or just the type of fiber material that I was using, they held up pretty well actually. Later in the video you'll see me making some rainbow hackle fiber, and what that is basically it's mostly just nylon that I have packed in there, and I think that one gave me some trouble simply because of the sheer amount of nylon and how much it wants to stick to each other. But the faux cashmere actually dizzed off fairly easily, but then again I probably didn't have nearly as much on there, so those dizzes actually worked really well. I just found that the crochet hook that I had on hand, I probably need to use a smaller one for just starting it, but once I got it going, it worked really well. I did want to film some more videos and post them earlier this week, but it was really a busy week for all of us. So I managed to just get one out, and hopefully I can start back up strong in the coming weeks, starting with this video. I really hope you like it, and it kind of gives a cool perspective of, like, I think it's a cool camera angle actually. Anyway, I don't have too much more to say except that thank you to all the new subscribers and to the rest of you who come on back and are really enjoying my videos. I am really wanting to hit it hard with the fiber related content this year, and I'm really wanting to boost the amount of watch hours with the amount of content I'm putting out, so that maybe closer to the end of this year or even in the next, I might be able to hit the thresholds for monetization. Again, I will not be sacrificing content quality to do that, but I just need to push more awesome ideas, and hopefully y'all will continue to join me on my fiber journey. So with that, enjoy the rest of the video, and you can see the fiber all prepared and dizzed out at the end there. So I'll see you all at the end here. As always, make something sparkle today.